am finally back with another video. Thanks for tuning in. If you've been here before, then you already know the deal. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome to LOKT, Life on Kiba's Terms. So today I'm going to fulfill on a request that I had a while back, which was to do a video showing my wash and moisturization routine. It's very simple, but today I'm going to break it all down step by step for you guys, bring you guys into my shower and show you how I do. So usually I use the Design Essentials avocado and oatmeal. That's what they use at the salon that I go to for my retwist about every 5 to 6 weeks. And that's what I tend to use at home. I did forget that shampoo at my sister's house, so today I'm using a sub, which is another shampoo I've used before and it works really well. The Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. A lot of people tend to use two shampoos when they wash their locks. They use a clarifying shampoo to get everything lifted first, and then they go in with the moisturizing shampoo. However, I leave that for when I go to the salon. So at home, I only use the moisturizing shampoo. I'll pass it through my hair enough time so that I feel like my hair is cleansed. And then when I go to the salon, I get the two-step process, the clarification followed by the moisturization. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, and I will see you in the shower. Okay guys, I'm back. Here we go. So the first thing that I do is wet my hair. Going in with my fingers, not my nails, just the knobs of my fingers, and massaging my scalp just to get the water into the roots. Start cleansing at the root. The oils and whatever other products that I had in my hair, I can taste them washing out of my hair, which is good because number one, they're mostly all natural products, so I'm not worried about tasting them, but it's good because I know that it's coming out of my hair, like it's being washed out with the water. Okay, so after I've enjoyed the nice warm water on my scalp, I'm gonna go ahead and start shampooing my hair. I'm trying to let you guys see how much I use. I use a lot, like I'll kind of go with the palm of my hand. Pull it up, and then I take it and I go into the scalp. Before I tackle my whole head, I focus on the scalp. And then once I feel like my scalp has been covered, I start going down the length of my locks with a little bit more shampoo. Like I said, I'm not using a clarifying shampoo first, so I'm very generous with the moisturizing shampoo because I want to make sure to get everything out. So it's as much shampoo as it takes, you know what I'm saying? The thing about it is that you have to keep in mind that you gotta get all the shampoo out. My hair loves to trap shampoo, and so I have to spend a while under the shower just making sure everything is rinsed out. Because sometimes I rinse my hair and I get a sticky feeling afterwards, like it's not all squeezed out of the lock. Alright, I think we're all sudsed up, and I am ready to rinse. So while I'm rinsing my hair, I'm doing the same thing that I did when I just let the water through it the first time around. I'm going in with the nubs of my fingers and really like coaxing the shampoo out. So I rinsed and I feel like there's still residue. So I'm gonna go in with a second shampoo. So it's the same thing. I just scrub my scalp, rinse it all off, and then I'll show you how I wrap up my hair after the shower, what I use to dry my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse and I'll see you in a little bit. Hi again guys, so I am back fresh out of the shower. I'm just gonna show you what I do with my hair right after I wash it. In the shower, I'll probably squeeze out some of the liquid, just a little bit. I'm not wringing my hair, I'm not pulling on my hair, just squeezing enough in place so that if there's excess water, it can drain out. Don't really have a lot of dripping going on, so I think it's fine. And then I take this old crop top that I had from Forever 21 or something. I actually don't prefer to use cotton on my hair, or at least it needs to be a very soft cotton, because I feel like it dries my hair out too much. I have high porosity hair. I was a high porosity loose natural, which means that water enters rapidly, but it also leaves rapidly. So I want to retain some moisture, some water in my hair before I add my oils, but I do want to get it out of this saturated wet state. So let me just look at the material here so I can give you guys the exact blend. The inner shell, which is this part, is 100% cotton, and the outer shell is 100% silk. So it's like using a silk bonnet to dry your hair. So that's what I use, and then I just flip my hair over and put it on my head. And I just leave my hair up like that, kind of in a pineapple, until the excess water is soaked up out of my hair, and then I go in and put my oils and all that good stuff. So I'll be back. So I am back. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I use to moisturize my hair once I take it down from my little pineapple wrap. Rose water mixed with vitamin E oil. So I do half and half. Half rose water, half vitamin E oil, and this is as recommended by Yanni, the lochologist. I just spritz my hair with this. It smells really nice. The rose water makes it smell really nice, but making sure to get at my scalp. And this next step I don't always do. It just depends on if I feel like my scalp feels a little dry and I want to lock in moisture a little bit more. I'll use this E-Blast. It's from Aunt Jackie's Girls, and it has vitamin E and flaxseed, hydrolyzed wheat starch, extra virgin olive oil, shea butter, and lots of different extracts. This is a thicker consistency, so I don't use it as generously as my rose water and vitamin E oil mixture. So I just go in to my scalp and squirt it. A little bit goes a long way, and I can really feel that it infuses my scalp with like an oil treatment. It leaves my scalp feeling really nice. The last product that I'm going to show you guys that I do not use on a regular basis is the Tropical Roots Black Castor Oil infused with rosemary. This one, it gives my scalp a tingly feeling, and the castor oil is heavy, so I do not use castor oil on a regular basis. For me, it's a bit much for my hair, but if I want to just reinforce my edges, you know, if I styled my hair, if I'm doing a braid out on my hair or twist out, I will spray this mostly on my hairline. I might spray it a little bit with the castor oil just to give it a little more nutrients. And that is my basic wash and moisturization routine, guys. If you have any questions, if there's anything that I didn't cover, please let me know. Everything that I do, it's very simple. I will be back to give you guys a 1-year update. Yes, it's been 1 year. And just my thoughts on being at this stage in the LOK game. I have a lot of thoughts on that, and I still want to try to do the styling video. This is kind of like a precursor to that, doing more tutorial videos, because they're hard to do. I respect the YouTubers who do tutorial videos because you have to figure out how to get your angles, all that good stuff. Anyway, I will be back before you know it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.